Good afternoon and happy Halloween. Today is a wonderful day to discuss a topic that I am pretty passionate about because it directly ties into gut health and really everything to do with health and wellness. And that is to discuss one of our crucial and powerhouse organs, and that is our liver. And there's no better time than today to talk about our liver because October is Liver Cancer Awareness Month. So I think it's really important to just touch on what our liver does, why it's so important, and ways we can easily at home, daily implement ways to keep our livers healthy. So first and foremost, obviously our liver is one of our most crucial organs and necessary for life. I think when people think of the liver, they think of its process of detoxification and removing harmful substances and filtration. That is absolutely one of its primary purposes. It is really what keeps our body functioning, removes toxins and things that shouldn't be in here, but it has so many more roles as well. It's very important as far as gut health goes, metabolism, digestion. It's responsible for our nutrient absorption, so our nutrient density and how much our body absorbs. It's also responsible for how our body metabolizes hormones. So if our livers aren't functioning optimally or they get backed up, our hormones are also going to back up to levels they shouldn't be at and impact the body in ways that can cause imbalances or other symptoms that are unpleasant. So it is super, super important to be kind to our liver and take care of it as much as we can because it is really a workhorse and a powerhouse for us. So on a daily basis, little things we can do. Obviously eating, as much of a whole food diet as we can, limiting fried foods, high fat foods, high fructose corn syrup as much as possible, limiting alcohol, limiting over-the-counter medications, only using when absolutely necessary, keeping our vitamin D levels optimal. That directly relates to our liver health as well. Cruciferous vegetables and any green vegetables are going to be instrumental in liver health as well and how our body processes things and detoxifies. And then there's other little ways, whole food supplementation and handcrafted herbs we can use to just help support the liver. Things like turmeric, dandelion tea, burdock, milk thistle, berberine. Those are all some great herbs we can use to help support our liver. But in addition to lifestyle and everyday things we can do, which I didn't mention water, obviously water is at the top of the list. Sorry, I had to go back to that one. I don't want to be a hypocrite. I'm sitting here with a gallon of water. I drink almost a gallon of water a day. So I can never stress how important water is in everyday function, the liver especially. So sorry, had to go back to that one. But anyway, in addition to these lifestyle, nutrition, diet type factors, I think it's so important to have other modalities at our fingertips to help assess our liver health. And we are so lucky that we have resources and state-of-the-art testing at allergytest.co, where they offer quick, easy, discreet, inexpensive at-home tests. And one is their rapid liver function test. Disclaimer, this is not a diagnostic. This is not to diagnose disease. It's not to diagnose anything, but rather to give a at-home, quick, easy educational assessment how our liver is doing. Now, it's a quick, easy urine test. It looks at 11 different parameters to just assess how things are going. And if things are to come back not in range of what the standard range is on the panel here, that would then prompt a consult with a licensed medical physician to further investigate the health of your livers and kidneys ultimately to see if any further testing or lab work is needed. So I think it is so important to be able, in addition to lifestyle factors, to have some laboratory at home, quick, easy evidence to then kind of assess, see how we're doing, and if additional steps need to be taken to further the health and wellness of our liver and overall health and wellness in general. With that said, happy Halloween. Thank you for tuning in, especially during Liver Cancer Awareness Month. Take care of you, take care of your liver. Never ever stop taking care of your health, investing in yourself and your health and wellness, you will never be sorry, because ultimately health is wealth. Have a great day.